Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Ojediran Timileyin. I am a student of DUT, Dynamic Online Tutorial. Let me take you on my JAMB journey. This time last year, I got admission into Ojediran State University to study a course that I didn't want because my JAMB wasn't clear enough. I planned to write another JAMB this year, but schoolwork and other things were not giving me enough time to study for JAMB. But 1 month to JAMB, we were given an holiday in April. 1 month, I think it was a 1 month holiday. We were giving break at school. I decided to join tutorial, but it wasn't easy. I said I didn't find sharp. My friend Eboluwa, shout out to her. She posted DOT on her status, and I joined. I reached out, and they told me that it was going to be a 4 to 11 class every day. 4 to 11. I'll be having break 1 hour. I felt it was too much, and but I wanted to pass. I had a determination to pass. So I joined classes, even though I wasn't serious. Well, I'm not even serious. So now I'm not serious. I joined classes, and we were having attendance every 1 hour. We send our attendance. I'm Ojediran Timileyin, I'm in physics class. I joined this time, and I'm leaving this time. So there was accountability. There was we were having weekly mocks, and Mr. Yodeji, Dr. Trav. If you don't pass, we shame you on the sorry, we not shame you. But things were going very smooth because we had people that were very dedicated to making us a success. At the end of the Mr. Michael, God bless you, sir. Mr. Yodeji, our English teacher, God bless you, sir.